Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable IPv6 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So please keep in mind, even if it is enabled, your internet service provider may not support IPv6 yet. So just keep that in mind. But generally speaking, if you want to make sure it's turned on or off within Windows itself, I'm going to show you guys how to do that, and it should be a pretty straightforward process, and let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Let's go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to Category View, and then select the Network and Internet selection. Select Network and Sharing Center. And then underneath Internet Connection, click on the hyperlink that is under here. So go ahead and select that. And then select the Properties button. Versus Internet Protocol version 6, parentheses TCP/IPv6. If you want to enable that or keep it enabled within Windows at least, you keep it checkmarked. Otherwise, if you want to disable it, you would uncheck that and then select OK. And that's pretty much it. So if you click on Properties again, you would see that it has saved the change. And again, if you wanted to keep it or perhaps re-enable it, you just would check mark inside of here and then select OK to save the change. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.